Hello, wonderful guys. In this video, we're diving into some of the coolest and most life-changing Amazon gadgets that'll completely transform your daily life. Some mind-blowing Amazon finds that are make your life easier, smoother, and way more fun. Stay tuned till the end because you won't want to miss these game-changing gadgets. Amazon brings a smart design sharp kitchen knife set that makes your everyday tasks easier. The Nuava 7-piece knife set features ultra-sharp stainless steel blades for effortless slicing. With a 360-degree rotating acrylic stand, grab the right knife in seconds. Ergonomic, modern, and built to last and save your more time. Now, Amazon is bringing a new, more advanced design grill like a pro that keeps the house smoke-free. The Cuisimax 1500-watt indoor grill brings BBQ magic to your kitchen. No mess, just juicy, perfectly grilled flavors all year round. Turbo exhaust tech cuts 95% smoke, while double U-shaped heating ensures even cooking and perfect sear marks. Non-stick and dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning, this set of 4 large 770-milliliter bowls is perfect for cereal, rice, salads, pasta, noodles, and soup. They're microwave and dishwasher safe for effortless use. BPA-free and stackable, these bowls are built for convenience and everyday hardiness. Electric powerful 450-watt hand mixer that is effortlessly whisk, mix, and knead with 5 speeds plus turbo boost for precision. Includes stainless steel accessories and a scale cup storage case for easy organization. One-button eject design for quick cleanup. Reliable after-sale service with 365-day free replacement. Crystal's Electric Deep Fat Fryer 2.5 liter. Enjoy crispy, golden perfection with adjustable temperature control up to 190 degrees Celsius. The compact design fits any kitchen, a safety handle on the frying basket for protected operation, while the non-stick interior and removable basket make cleaning effortless. Safety handle on the frying basket for protected operation.